Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload an RDL to your Configuration Manager reporting point, and I'll show you how to change its data source. Let's get started. We're going to start the process of uploading an RDL to your Configuration Manager reporting point. So we're here at the root, the home page of your reporting point. And it really doesn't matter if I upload to a folder such as this one, the IT core reports, or under the Configuration Manager folder. For this demo, I'm going to do it in the Configuration Manager. I'm going to go under core reports as well. And under here, there's no real trick to this. You just click the upload, you select the report. Now this is a report that I've modified, and we're going to store it in this location. So we click upload to this report. And now that it's uploaded, we can see that it's here. Now, if I'm to run this report, we'll find that we'll get an error. I told it to run this report, and we're going to get an error. And this error effectively just says that the data source for this report doesn't exist. So we'll solve that. We go to core reports. We're going to go to the ellipsis, and we're going to go to manage. We're going to go to data sources. This is where we're going to click the browse button to change the data source. Now the data source is under the ConfigMan folder, and it's right at the very bottom. Now there's two data sources. There's the left data source, which is the data warehouse data source, and then we have the right one, which is the ConfigMan database. You're going to 99% of the time need the ConfigMan database. So we select that. And go save. And with that, when I run the report, we can now see that the report runs. Now I know that I have an issue with my software update point, and I need to solve that. But the point of this is to show that the report works and that that's how you upload it. Now the questions people are going to ask is, how does that work with the ConfigMan console? So let's go to that next. So we connect off to my ConfigMan server. We bring up the console, and what we're going to do is go back up to the reporting node. We're going to go to reports. And what it's doing right now is reading all of the folders and reports off of the reporting point and returning this to the console. And apparently my lab is running a little slow because this should be faster than this. So we've returned back the things, and if we go comp, so you'll notice that we have the compliance 5 here in the core, and we also have the regular one. So again, we can just click there and go run, and this will run just as you like. I'm going to pick any other random device and go view. And we can see that we've got the report there. So that's how you upload a report and change its data source, as well as ultimately how it will end up in the ConfigMan console, which is an automatic process. Until next time. I want to thank you for watching this video and to remind you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. This way you'll be notified as I add more ConfigMan related content. Additionally, I would strongly encourage you to subscribe off to the Ask Earth website. Again, there's always an associated blog that goes along with the content. We'll see you again, and thanks for watching.